Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw and color a makeup kit. Draw a white bushy shape for the brush part. Then draw a long stick for the handle. Put a heart on the handle. Now draw makeup palette. Inside it draw a small stick and the lots of small circles. These are our eyeshadows. Put a heart on it. Great. Now draw a lipstick. Draw a heart inside it. Now draw a nail polish bottle. Time to add some color. Color the makeup brush. Color this part yellow. Very good. Color the long handle of the brush brown. Great job. Color the last small heart on the handle red. Add red color here. Color the outside of the both oval shape of the palette yellow. Very good. You can use different colors for eyeshadows like red, pink, parrot, and purple. Color this part in sky blue. Color the nail polish bottle. Use brown color for the cap. Very good. Color the heart inside the bottle red. Yellow color for the lipstick. Use green color for the main body of the bottle. And the last, we color the lipstick. Color the heart on the case red. Color the tip of the lipstick red. Color this part in parrot color. Very good. You did very well. Allah Hafiz.